Okay, so that goes back in this box. This one is pretty dull, slow. That should be done too. It should be in my pocket. And this goes over in my other pocket. And I had that for a reason. I don't know what I was keeping in it. Okay, so I needed these go upstairs for fixing the bedroom electricity. This goes over here with batteries. This is my glass clipping tool. Very seized up tool too. Okay, I'm going to use, this is the pin tool. I already have a pin tool, but that'll be another pin tool, and I'll need one of these. And this goes in here. My other little ones of that. And these are both pretty seized up. And there was another pretty seized up one here. Those are all good. What should I do with these? I hung it to that. So it'll spin. I need to hang it somewhere. Should hang it somewhere. Alright, I don't know if I wanted measuring tape. And that's a little metal cutter, isn't it? This is going to open up and be a big little mess. What could I put it in so it won't be a big little mess? This is the seized up one. Those are seized up and I need a little plastic bag. Okay. So we have our little plastic bag. We put that in there. And now, are we done with this? some kind of glue. The acrylic rod rolls. Acrylic rod. Ah, a rod. Rolls smooth sheets of clay. The divider measures the clay in the sculpture. Got that here. The blade and craft knife cut clay. I've got that in there. The brush removes raw edges. Pliers and wire cutters bend and cut the armature wires. Pliers and wire cutters. Let's spray these while I'm thinking about it. Okay. Okay, so do I have everything I need now? I didn't get the wire. Alright, so now